Hey everyone, so before I begin the video, I want to share with you guys something that I would recommend. So this is a poster board and it has the letters glued to it. I got all of this at Walmart and it was very easy to make. As you guys can see, the M just kind of disappeared, so I filled it in. So this is a really good tool, I think, for your child because it's easy, it's convenient. All you have to do is just pull it out and you can practice with them the letters. You can also sing the ABC song. If your child is visual, it would help for them to see the letters, and then also you can just sing as well. The only thing about this is that with Caden, I felt like he had got in the repetition of singing, and so what you guys are going to see in this video is flashcards, and I put the different letters of the alphabet on there and I jumbled them up to see if he knew them, because it was very easy for him to just go in order, but then there were points in time where I would randomly get him to name what a letter was and he wasn't for sure what it was. So don't just stick to this, make flashcards, jumble them up, and then that way that will give your child a way to see the alphabet letters in a different order than just on your chart. But anyways, this is a good tool. I recommend it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. And also let me know if you have any questions. Take care. Can you give me the X?
Okay.
Thank you. Are you okay? Can you give me the Z?
Okay.
Can you give me the U? Can you give me the T?
T.
Can you give me the R? Can you give me the S? Can you give me the P? What about the Q? Can you give me the V? V. Can you give me the O?
O.
Can you give me the N?
N.
N. Try again. Good job. What about the M? Can you give me the letter sound that make the Good job. What about K? K. That's J. K. Good. Can you give me the letter sound that makes H? What about G?
G.
J.
J.
Can you give me the letter sound D?
D.
Try again. D. Good. What about F? Try again. Good job. Can you give me the letter sound B?
B.
Try again. B.
B.
Good. What about the letter sound K? K. That's E. Good. Can you give me the letter I? Can you give me the letter A? And the letter E? Yay! There you go.
Hold on to me.